Hello, this is Azar and welcome to the Java SE tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install the JDK and the NetBeans IDE. To install the JDK, you have to Google download JDK and you can hit on this link and you can open up this web page. Okay, after opening up this web page, you can see here this is Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 73. What it states that it states that this JDK 8 supports the features of Java 8 and it is currently on update 73. Similarly, over here you can see this is update 74. This is more recent version. Okay, now here you can see a list of operating systems and the different architectures provided. For each operating system there is a JDK. Similarly for each architecture, you can see here there are different JDKs. For example, Windows 64 you are having a JDK. For Windows 32-bit you are having a JDK. Similarly for Linux platforms, you can see here Linux 32-bit, Linux 64-bit. There are different JDKs. Now why is it so? The JDK contains a folder called JRE and the JRE contains the JVM. The JVM is actually platform dependent and architecture dependent, that is, it depends upon the operating system and also upon its architecture. So for Windows we are having different JDK, and similarly for different architectures also we are having different JDKs. So for Windows 64-bit there is a JDK, for Windows 32-bit there is a JDK. Similarly for Linux. Okay, now you have to just accept the license agreement and you have to download. After downloading you can start installation. Okay, you can see here I have downloaded the JDK and you have to double click and start the installation, and you have to take the defaults and hit install. Okay, you have to take the defaults and hit install. After installation you can find your application on the program files folder, that is, in this program files you can see here the Java folder, and you can see here I have two JDKs installed, JDK 8 and JDK 7, and these are of current it is of update 71 and this one is update 65. Okay, now you can open up and you can see here these are 5 folders available. Okay, so your Java is installed. Now moving on to the NetBeans IDE, you can hit this URL netbeans.org/downloads and this web page will open, and since we are going to learn the Java SE, this NetBeans version supports the Java SE. You can see the Java SE and Java FX. So we are interested in Java SE, so you can download this NetBeans version. Okay, after download you can install. One thing, during NetBeans installation it might ask you for the JDK path. So the JDK path is actually the installation folder you have installed the JDK. You can supply this path, Java JDK. This is actually the path, and you can supply this path to the NetBeans. This folder is called the Java home folder. Okay, this is Java home folder. So after giving this path you will be installed, your NetBeans will be installed. Okay, now in the next video we'll learn how to write Java applications and how to compile them and how to run them. Thank you.